Hey traders, are you tired of watching markets all day? Waiting for perfect entry and exit points? Imagine automating your trades with precision. No more missed opportunities, just potential gains from powerful strategies like long straddle and long strangle. Today we are going to watch how you can make money by capturing market volatility through option buying. In this series of videos, we will learn how to capture market volatility to make money using long strangle and long straddle. I have developed fully automated Python script specifically for long strangle and long straddle. Using this script, we can make money persistently with minimum profits and minimum losses. We can maximize losses if we keep big targets. We can minimize the losses by keeping small stop losses. So let's break down how long strangle and long straddle works. So this is sensible from Zerodha where we can use strategy builder to check how long straddle we can implement. So already I have selected long straddle here. If we go to others and click on long straddle, we will get example of long straddle. So here we are buying at the money. Currently market is trading at 24,148 and we are going to take entry at the money for call option and put option both. So 24,150 call option, 24,150 put option both. For this we are going to use 7,000 rupees fund, and here we are not going to make this much losses. This is a maximum loss only if we wait till end of the expiry. So till end of the expiry we will not wait. We will be capturing volatility here. How we are going to capture the volatility, we will learn in upcoming series. So this is example for straddle. Here we are going to take entry with at the money strike prices, same strike prices. And when we come to long strangle, we have an example here only. So here we are going out of the money strike prices. Here we can capture bigger movements in the Nifty. So that means market should move at least 1000 points to make profits here. The algo works perfectly for both at the money and out of the money. Here the game is capturing volatility. So we have to capture volatility. For that I have found, for example, if I go to Bank Nifty, in Bank Nifty, if I put ADX, a simple stat indicator which gives momentum, using the ADX we can capture big movements. In this place we are not, for example, the ADX is going to increase here. Here we are not going to buy only CE. We are going to buy CE and PE, call option and put option both. By this, if market moves in a opposite direction also, we will not make losses. Here stop loss is not required since we are going to buy call option and put option both. Only stop loss is required on the overall capital. If market is not moving, if market is not volatile, if it is sideways, we will not make any kind of profit. So we need to exit from the trade. We should not wait. Here we will be making profit on volatility. So in upcoming videos, I will walk you through setting up this script. Once configured, I will execute orders, monitor price movements, and the script itself will trigger sell orders and buy orders. How to set stop loss, how to set up targets, everything I will explain in the upcoming video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit bell button. So stay tuned for upcoming video.